Greetings from Dechantlacke FKK, Nudist Beach, here in Austria, Vienna more specifically. So I am out exploring my first beach ever in Austria and in Vienna, and it is a nudist beach, or also known in German language FKK, which is the abbreviation for Freikopfkultur, which means free body culture. And it is a wonderful Sunday morning, a bit chilly though. It is only 11 degrees Celsius in the air, but I just measured in the lake, it is 17 degrees Celsius indeed. And this whole lake over here, it's a nudist beach lake, and there are several nudist spots around the lake. I have chosen this one, and this one we have even a bit of a cradle here to chill during maybe the hot summer months. But the lake is so nice, as you have seen, and I just can't believe that I'm going to take a swim in Austria on 29th of September. Today is today. And I have been exploring also as well yesterday in Bratislava. There is one nudist beach also there. Check out that episode as well. But if you want to visit Vienna, so there are actually FKK or nudist beaches, and this is one of them at Dechantlacke. Not so far away from the center, but yeah, it's a bit of a hassle to get here. You need to take the most appropriate will be by car, but there are other options like public transport and even bicycle as well, or Voi, the electric scooters. So yes, beach adventures with Chris. We are in Vienna, Austria, and now it's time for me to take a swim here and enjoy the beautiful day out on this lake in this natural reserve, I believe so. And yes, so yeah, beach adventures with Chris on a nudist beach in Vienna. I'm gonna be exploring a few more beaches later. I want to take a swim also on the river Donau, well, not the actual river, but on the follow-up streams, which are not so fast like the main river of Donau. So yes, let's get going and enjoy a nice, beautiful swim here. Here they have made also steps to get into the water. The lake looks absolutely stunning with the reflections, indeed. Beautiful. Dechantlacke. You can see the whole lake from here as well. And this, how to say, cradle or lullaby, swing lullaby or something, swing fly. So alright, so yes, it's time for a swim in this beautiful Dechantlacke in the beautiful nature of Vienna, Austria. So ready, set, go! Oh my god, so amazing and nice. Beautiful nature, beautiful nudist beach and lake indeed. What a wonderful way to start the day in Vienna, with a visit of a nudist beach. So yeah, I just took the bus, actually Flixbus from Bratislava to Vienna. It's very close. The ride was less than an hour, around 50 minutes. So if you want to visit two countries in one day, then Bratislava and Vienna are the good option to cover Slovakia and Austria. And also Czechia and Hungary are not so far either if you want to cover even more countries. So yes, now the sun is back up, which is amazing. So I'm going to be chilling here a bit before I continue my exploration further. So greetings from Dechantlacke in Vienna, Austria. This Nudist Beach, FKK Strand, FKK in German. So thanks so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!